For about grade level 8. Now let me explain what that means. If you go to your handout, page 5, there's a little section here on arming and disarming perforation guns. Have a quick look at it. This is a typical level of complexity for a procedure, and it's written at grade level 15.5. The problem is only 10% of the adult population reads at grade level 15.5. So the vast majority of people can't make sense of this text. Now, how do you do this? What do you do with it? Word will tell you the grade level of any text. Microsoft Word will. You run a spell check on the text. You drop the text into Word, run a spell check on it, and at the end of that spell check, a box should pop up showing you the readability statistics. If that box doesn't pop up at the end of a spell check in Word, it means you didn't enable it. And in that handout, I'll show you exactly in the right-hand column on the bottom of 5 how to enable that. But you need that enabled. And you want to drop that text in, you want to run the spell check, and then at the end of it, you're going to see this box, which is readability statistics. If you go down to this last line in that box, do you see where this says 15.5? That's the Flesch-Kincaid readability level of that text. And you need to have my handout. You need to keep that thing. That's why I put it on paper and gave it to you. You're going to go to that line bar that's in there, the line chart that's in there, and if you look at grade level 15.5, you'll see that only 10% of the adult population reads at that level. So that isn't going to work. That's too complicated. Across oil and gas as a whole, our average procedures are written at grade level 14. That's an average. This is a little bit harder than the average in your area. Grade level 14, only 17% of the adult population reads at that level. You cannot continue to produce procedures that only 17% of adults can read and understand. You've got to get your grade level down to grade level 8. Well, what does something like that look like? Have a quick look at page 9 at your handout.